Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So basically I just want to make a quick recap on the trades which people can take every single day. Obviously I would like to say not every single day is gonna be a winner, but at least the market can go in our favor. So let's just make a real quick analytics and to break down these charts. Let's get it. So what we got here, we got like overall I can say it's an uptrend, yeah, but I don't really do this type of, I just taking a note, yeah, that 200 EMA is under price action. That means we are on an uptrend. Correct. We can literally see with our eyes that the trend is uptrend. It makes high, low high, low high. So basically right now expecting a higher high, obviously. That's simple, yeah. Then I'm checking this one, this price action, yeah. What we had here, like kind of like deep pullback, by assuming this was the news, and it was going down, huge rejection, yeah. Then had a high low, kind of lower low, and then higher high, and then higher low, higher low. So I was expecting higher high, obviously. In those cases, if my bias is still up, yeah, what I'm expecting, like, you know me, I'm trading support and resistance, break and retest strategy from Asia's session, high and low. So let's get it back to 5 minutes, which is the entry, which is the entry, time frame. So my point is, the way how I like to see it is, obviously everybody knows below those lows and highs of the Asia is liquidity. So if my bias is to go up, obviously what I'm gonna waiting for, I do like when it fakes about below, yeah, grabs all the liquidity, comes back into the zone, yeah, into the Asia range, then taps it. So basically here what it did, yeah, it just literally went through, yeah, then it came back, but I wouldn't enter on this one, yeah. It pulled back into the zone, and the way how I'm saying all the time, it break this high, and even this high, you can see is broken, yeah, and then it just literally went down, yeah. Here you go guys, two choices, the way how I'm doing. I'm waiting either conservative way, which sometimes I just enter like literally a trade like that, but like biggest stop loss, never forget, and just targeting the highs, yeah. Or you can, just to be safe, you can put it somewhere in the middle. I would put it like that. So you still go like 284 guys. That's a good target though. That's very good target. I don't know why people complaining. Yeah, it's not 1 to 10, but guys, like nobody don't know it's gonna reverse or not, yeah. But I just giving like a brief for the trade. That's why I extended my stop loss like so big. And this is a 5 minute, it's still good. And I'm targeting those highs because my bias is what on the 4 hour is up. Obviously, I'm gonna wait for the liquidity grab, come back into the zone, retest, and move up. So yeah, you can say I would move like a lot, but what you can do actually, you can just literally target those high, because on the higher time frame I'm expecting like a higher high. So you can hold it like that, but to be honest, I just don't have a patience for that long to hold it. But that's gonna be like 1 to 14. Please take it, take a chance. But I don't really like to do that. I rather just take my 2 3 hour and I'm good. I'm good. So basically that's just simple analysis. What I was going to say is just keep the trade simple, don't complicate too much. If you know the higher time frame is going up, then just watch this simple strategy, guys. It's nothing like too crazy. I just know for a fact from higher time frame we are going up, yeah, and I just waited for this fake move, come above, retest, and move to the next zone. Then you can go like literally to the next high, which is gonna be, but basically this one would be great because this is the low of the Asia on this day. So I would as well targeting those one if you want to, but I don't really do, because this is like the psychology thing. I I can't hold it for too long. I don't know why. That's the reason that I'm a scalper intraday, wherever. So I just can't hold it for too long. Yeah, you can say like, yeah, I would hold it from there to 13 hour, but when it comes to the real trade, then you definitely won't hold it for that long. That's just, it's too much stress for me. So I rather just take a trade, take like my 2R, 2 3 RR, and just move on, and I'm done. Even this day, yeah, even this day, guys, you can see, literally you can see, yeah, if you know for a fact you're going to the upside, yeah, yeah. And I'm always saying, if I'm going up, my buy is gonna be either is gonna break, retest, and it's gonna go up, yeah, and my target is gonna be like that. But you can see like rejection, rejection, bullish engulfing, boom, and you just put it like somewhere around here, those lows, because don't forget, like, I'm always trying to hold it, and you can take that one, and that's gonna be 158, and that's fine, guys. That's alright, because after that, watch what it did, make a low low, a high high, sorry, came back, and if you still know the bias is up, you can take one more trade, if that's the case, and you can put it right here below those lows, and you can target at those highs. It's not a problem, guys. It's totally up to you what you can do. But the reason why I'm trading this strategy, yeah, because it won't work just any break and retest, yeah, it won't work on any break and retest. What is gonna work for me is just the potential probability is in my favor, because for a fact I know on the higher time frame we're going up. So why should I take shorts here? Yeah, in this case, yeah, I might would focus for a short, only because if, for example, the trend would go down from the higher time frame, yeah, I would wait for this fake, come back, try to retest this support, yeah, yeah, and from here, yeah, I might would take like that. I might would take like that, obviously, something like that. I would take it, and I would go for those one. But that's only just in case if we going to the downside. But if I'm not going to the downside, why should I focus on the shorts? It doesn't make sense to me. So you can take two trades, 158, and then you can take 1 to 4 almost, yeah, wherever. But I usually don't targeting like to the peep. I usually targeting like in the middle, something like that. Just to be safe, because sometimes, you know, like from here it bounces, and then all this headache only for 2 peeps to wait like one session. I rather just take it somewhere like here, somewhere, or here, to this up move candle, something like that, guys. So yeah, and if you know for a fact you know where's the buy at, you just can literally just take the trades. For example, right now, yeah, who knows if it breaks, if it comes down to retest, am I gonna look forward to move up? I won't even try to move down. If it's gonna fake me out and just go back down here, then that's fair enough. It just is not. I was wrong. I'm not wrong with the bias, but I'm wrong with the entry, because the market decided to come back to this zone, maybe to go more deeper and then move up. But then again, guys, here is totally up to you what you want to do. But to me, if I'm taking like one trade like that, I'm done for the day. I don't really push myself to take too many trades. So yeah, guys, that's kind of the video which I was gonna talk to you about it, and see you in the next video. Cheers, guys, and have a great and wonderful trading day. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and see you in the next video.